Hi there. I'm going to make a salad today in this bowl. So, what we're going to do is kind of fly by the seat of our pants. So, I have cut up romaine. I happen to get organic. It doesn't matter if you do. I've washed this, but I do want to show you something. You can put it in a salad spinner, so it is clean. But not everybody has a salad spinner handy, so you can use a plastic bag and you can actually put this in here. And then your other ingredients too. So for instance, if you have tomato cut up, we're going to put the tomato in. Let me cut up another one. I've got food flying all over the place, but that doesn't matter. We don't care, do we? Okay, here's another tomato. Now we have some cucumber cut up. Throw that in. I've got some celery cut up, celery, avocado. I kind of cut it up and I'm going to try to, well, I don't have to wash this, I don't think, not the inside, I'm not going to do that. So excuse me for 1 second while I go and put some water in this. Okay, got the water, shaking it all up. Yeah. All right, now what I'm going to do is kind of slowly let the water out. And I'm going to use the magic of centrifugal force to get all the water. You're probably wondering, what the heck is she doing? Now watch this. All the water has settled down here. And all I need to do is make a little slit. Whoa, look at that. It all comes out. Who needs a salad spinner? Nobody. I don't, that's for sure. I'm going to put all that into my bowl. Oh, that looks fabulous. Just looks fabulous. Now I'm going to take this avocado and kind of scrunch it out. I'm just using my fingers actually to get it out. Now you're not going to see everything that I'm doing, but that's okay. But I do want to show you this part. This part is important. I've got a thick balsamic glaze. And what I'm doing, so thick. Oh, it helps to take the top off. So thick and creamy. Look at that. This is going to look very lovely. And of course a little bit of olive oil. Takes 2 seconds really to make a salad. I'm going to actually lift you up here so you can see. Oh, can you see? Yeah, you can see. This is a lovely salad. Here, let's get a better look. Yep, there we go. That's it. I did it. I made a salad in under 2 minutes. Well, maybe under 3. Maybe under 4.